na mfuko husika. Mshahara ambao haukulipwa ni dai linalohusiana na ajira au utumishi, na gharama za uhamisho au safari zinaweza kuwa stahiki zinazotokana na utumishi wako. Lakini kuna jambo jingine ambalo ni vyema pia wananchi wakalifahamu: michango ya hifadhi ya jamii isikatwe bila kufuatilia, ambapo mfanyakazi anaweza kufanya hivi. Moja, ni muhimu mfanyakazi kufuatilia taarifa za mchango yake, lakini pia anapaswa kufahamu kuhifadhi kumbukumbu za ajira na mishahara yake. Lakini la tatu, kutunza vielelezo vya makato. Ya nne, kuuliza mfuko husika pale anapobaini tofauti. Lakini namba 4, kuwasilisha nyaraka zinazohitajika wakati wa kufuatilia madai yake. Usisubiri hadi
mtazamaji wa TBC1, ilikuwa ni Sema na Waziri kutoka pale makao makuu ya nchi Dodoma. Ni kampeni hii ya Wizara ya Katiba na Sheria ya kusikiliza changamoto mbalimbali za wananchi na kuzitafutia ufumbuzi. Na sasa
yeah, where's this? You're there. What's that?
As a court, please, my lord, we confirm our appearances on behalf of the state.
Okay. With the court, my lord, I am still confirming my appearance on behalf of Mr. Sibi and Mr. Mbali. Thank you.
This is the court, my lord, I still confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 4, Mr. Matisa.
Yeah, Bo.
Lord, I confirm my presence on behalf of Mr. Doli.
Yes. Yeah, so who's on the go now?
My lord, it is my turn today to argue the matter on the application by the state.
Oh, okay.
My lord, from the onset, may I state that the issue for determination in this matter is whether the state can lead the new information at this stage, that is the stage when it is supposed to resume the cross-examination of this witness, Mr. Ngobe. It is my submission, my lord, that if the answer is to the affirmative, I submit that that will encroach on the witness's right in terms of Section 35 of the Constitution. My lord, I must pause there and mention that it is not the first time that the defense is confronted with new information. I may highlight, my lord, the information regarding the statement of Constable Zongo, which was handed in as Exhibit AAA of the record. The photos which were handed in as Exhibit S of the record, as well as the Section 205 cell phone data of the witness, Mr. Ngobe, which was handed in when the matter was still proceeding, not at the onset of the trial. Now, the defense or the witness is being confronted with the new information, which is the Section 205 cell phone data of the number ending 821, which belonged to Mabongo Ndoli. I submit, my lord, that this has been happening for a while now, and it encroaches on the accused's rights in terms of Section 35, subsection 3I of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, and it is the duty of the court to stop that from happening. My Lord, I think it will be important for me to mention or remind the state of what happened in these proceedings on the 14th of August 2022 when I attempted to make an application before this court for the affidavit of the deceased witness, Mr. Thabang Makeleni. The state opposed my application on the basis that I did not follow the rules. I had to call the two witnesses, the police officers who commissioned the two affidavits of the witness, Mr. Thabang Makeleni. The state indicated that it was not enough for me to satisfy the jurisdictional requirements of Section 3 of the Law of Amendment Act 45 of 1988, and as such, I need to do more by calling the police officers who commissioned the two statements. Those officers are Captain Motwedi and Captain Mteto. Coming back, my Lord, to the issues in this matter, the gravamen of the state submission, my Lord, is that they are entitled to cross-examine accused number 3, Mr. Mthobisi Prince Mncube, using the cell phone data from the Cleveland case docket 92 of 2015. The state further submit that the contents of that docket was disclosed to the defense at the same time as the content of this main case, which is the phosphorus case 636 of 10/2014, were disclosed. The state, my Lord, further submits that the investigating officer of that case, that is the Cleveland case 92 of 2015, had applied for the Section 205 cell phone data in terms of the provisions of Section 205 of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977 from Vodacom to establish the communication from the mobile number 072-7668-169 and other person, including Mabungu Ntuli, on the cell phone number 07914908821. The state, my Lord, further contends that this cell phone data was always available in Cleveland case 96 of 2015. The accused confirmed under oath in his evidence in chief that he was with Mabungu Ntuli. It is then, my Lord, what made us to be here today because of the sentiments by my colleagues, that is Dr. Sibanda on the 17th of August 2026, where he said the following, and I quote, "The state has decided to verify the movement of Mabungu Ntuli as per the tower information for the cell phone number 07914908821. The state assessed this set of data from Vodacom after the proceedings were adjourned on the 17th of August 2026, and it now intends to cross-examine accused number 3 as a witness, Mthobisi Prince Mncube." Close quotation. Dr. Sibanda further submitted, my Lord, that there is an affidavit of the investigating officer where he makes an application in terms of Section 205 of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977 for the cell phone records inter alia for the cell phone number 07914908821. I must bring to the attention of the court, for the court's convenience, my Lord, the provisions of Section 205. What do these provisions entail? Section 205 of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977, the Act, my Lord, empowers a judge, regional court magistrate, or a magistrate to compel any person who has material or relevant information about an alleged offense to appear before them for examination. It is widely used by prosecutors and police as investigative tool to obtain confidential records such as banking statements or cell phone data. My Lord, the crucial questions that follows after this is as follows. When was the request, my Lord, made by the investigation officer of